Hello guys, welcome back. So now we are going to start work on our home web page. So go to the home page dot and let's start working on it. We return a scaffold widget, and in the body we will have basically two side areas. One will be for the chat area and the other one will be the messages area. The left side will be the chat side area and the right side will be the message side area. Chat side is basically the area where you will see all your recent chats, and also where you will see all the contacts. And the right side area will be the messages area, where if you want to chat with anyone, then a message box will appear in which you type messages, just like you guys see in the introductory video of this course. So let's just continue. We will implement it step by step. So we will use default colors dot light bar background color, child stack widget, children widget, position widget, from the top 0, child container. For this the color will be default color dot primary color. Width will be whatever the screen width is. And the height for this will be whatever the screen height is. We will take 0.2% of it. Now after this position widget, we will have another position widget. From the top, the height will be 0.05%. Then from the other areas, that is bottom, left, right. So from the bottom it will be this, and from the left it will be whatever the screen height is, the same percentage we take. Okay, similarly from the right side. And then we will implement our two sides. The first one will be the chatting area, or you can say chatting side, which will be at the left side, and then at the right side we will have the messages area. So now let's just test out the application so that you will see how it looks actually. Let's quickly log in. So we will be sent to the home page. So this is the home page. Okay, so according to the design as we implemented, what we have here, we have this, using this position widget, we display the primary color at the top, which you already see. Okay, this is the primary color, and then after it we have this position widget. And you know that both of these position widgets are inside this stack, and stack is a child of container, and as a whole on this page we apply this light bar background color, which is this white color in the background. Okay, so what it means is, let me show it to you. For example, I'm going to comment out so you can understand the code easily. We have applied this background color, which is light bar background, as a whole on our this screen. Let me just hot restart. So as a whole, this white background is applied, which is this one. Now inside this tag, first we add this position widget, which is basically that primary color at the top. So now if I remove the comments from this position widget and I hot restart, then you will see that this is basically this area at the top. Okay, this is the area at the top. However, that area, the second position widget, that is something which is in implementation process. Now inside this position widget we will implement the chatting area. The chatting area will be here. Here we will have a chatting area. I hope you can see the cursor, please follow this. Okay, here we will have the chat area, and then here to the right side we will have the messages area, just like you guys see in the introductory video of this course.